Alright, new project in the house. It's a Sanrenmu. Did I say that right? Well, anyways, as you can see, it's been used. I've had this thing for about a year now, and I've used it very heavily. Lost the edge on her. You can see that. A lot of markings, scratches. So, in this video, what I plan on doing is getting rid of this scale. So it feels like it's plastic. I'm going to get rid of that, do some acid work to it, clean her up, etc. So stick with me, let's get in the shop. Not coming out. It's weird. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this thing is filthy. Alright, so now to copy this bad boy onto something. Let me look for something close enough to this thickness. That way I don't have to work too much at it. Now to shape it. Out with the old, in with the new. G10, black of course. As you can see, I had the counterbore pivot area for the ball bearings, or should I say just one ball bearing. And I had to build it up with a washer because I actually messed up, but I fixed it. And that was because of me going in too deep. Yeah, I know. I gotta relax with that, guys. But anyways, came out pretty good. Also, what is it? Acid and etched, same time. The frame lock, also the blade, and I cleaned her up. No more scratches. Put a nice mean edge on her, razor sharp. She's ready. Just a quick little modification, nothing too serious. Didn't put no pattern. Just made this pattern here. It's basically like, I don't know even the name for it. I haven't given a name, and I don't research names, but you can see that it's got a little ripple effect. Came out pretty decent. Not too bad. Something quick. On to the next project we go. Thanks for watching. Guys, have a good one.